Hi, my name is Himanshu, or I belong from Bulandshahr. I was being admitted over here on 30th of May, and today I am going to get discharged because of my black fungus. So my black fungus was being diagnosed on 26th of May, and I was being admitted to one of the hospitals in Delhi. And over there, I was not being given amphotericin. We waited over there for 4 days, I believe, and apparently after that we admitted ourselves in Naminath Hospital on 38th of May. So my symptoms of black fungus were I had a very severe headache. I had some patches over here also, and yeah, I had some blood in my sputum also. So apparently I was being given aid over here, and I would say after 24 days or 25 days I am being my symptoms are 90% cured, or I would say not 90, it is 92 or 93% cured right now. And yes, I am looking forward to get it might be 100% in next few days. I had a also clinically I was being diagnosed with COVID in 2nd of May, I believe, and 11th of May I was being admitted for COVID also, and after that I was being given some sort of injections and everything what was being specialized in COVID centers. So on 17th of May I was being discharged, and on 19th of May I got those symptoms which were related to black fungus. So in my hometown itself, we visited every doctor. I would say it was being dental, it was being a neurosurgeon, it was being a clinical doctor, and after doing my MRIs and n number of tests, for example, any black fungus test, they got some patches from my nose and they diagnosed that yes, that is black fungus. So yes, that is all about my story, and over here I got a very good treatment, I would say. The doctors, not only Pradeep sir, apparently every doctor over here were really very helpful. I would say not the time over here was कि ठीक था, ऐसा नहीं था कि बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें दिक्कत में आ रही हैं या फिर मेरी जो सिचुएशन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा वर्स केस में जा रही है. इट वॉज कि अपेरेंटली सुधार हो रहा है, 2 दिन 4 दिन 5 दिन 6 दिन में सुधार होने लगा, दिखने लगा कि हाँ सिम्टम्स कम हो रहे हैं. एंड उसी के बाद थोड़ा सा होम्योपैथी में भी ट्रस्ट हुआ. वेरी ब्लंटली आई वुड से कि इसी के बाद सीरियसली होम्योपैथी में थोड़ा बहुत ट्रस्ट हुआ. And if I would really want to quote some names over here in the doctors, I would say Dr. Ritu, Dr. Pradeep sir, Diksha ma'am, Kanika, Kavita. So they were really helpful for me. Dr. Vijay, he was very helpful. So yeah, I got very good treatment over here. Not about the treatment also, it was the way doctors are behaving, the way they are asking questions, the way they are putting out how to cure a symptom and what are the symptoms that do I have and which really needs to be get cured. So yeah, that's all I believe.
Okay, we would like to know that what is the procedure of taking this homeopathy medicine? What is the procedure?
I mean, it is not specifically a medicine. That's like every medicine have a different procedure. We have to take it on hourly basis or on 5 minutes or 10 minutes of gap. So that was, we have to stroke that every medicine I believe 2 times, and there were many medicines which were being stroked for 10 times, then we have to take it. And many of the medicines were being taken by with the help of water also. So they were being diluted in water and they were given to me. So yeah, that's all about how I was being given medication over here.
It is effective from the very first day or something else?
I would say it was effective from the 2nd or the 3rd day. What I really observed कि दूसरे या तीसरे दिन के बाद I had those symptoms going off and off. So that was the thing.